education are out in the field, assessing the way the situation is, the way I'm doing here. And for purposes of this particular school, first, I want to thank the Board of Management and the principal and the School of Administration for what they have done. Because, one, they have tried to open the drainage channels so that the water can be able to flow, some of it out of the school. And the other step they have taken as a mitigating factor is also putting gutters and water tanks so that the intensity of the water then is not as much as it should be. So because of that, you can see the damage is not as bad. Of course, there will be work to do, particularly when we have some retro rain, such that sometimes getting the water out of the classrooms. But I think so far so good, because we are seeing a situation that is really manageable, Chairman, as far as this particular school is concerned. So you should be able to open schools on Monday so that the normal running activity can be able to continue. We have also seen the feed. I think the feed will require some time. In case the rains subside, then we will have about 1 or 2 weeks for it to be put to use. One thing we want to say is that we have done an assessment in all our secondary schools and the primary schools in the country, and over 95% of our schools are ready for opening. The ones which are badly affected, I think, are less than 5%. And when I say badly affected, are those that some of them you will get that 100% of the toilets have sunk, have collapsed, such that because we don't have toilet facilities, it might pose a serious challenge for us to have students in those particular schools. But as I've said,
Nyakoro moke jongo timo mos kanyo alalo duonda Ezekiel Machogu uloso kanyo kentiere Karen C Girls kanyo en sikul mabendo dhi timo nonro ni sundegi iloso gi e yo machal nade. Gigo mabendo lose kanyo en ikruok mopogore opogore ma sirkal osebedo katimo. Judith Omondi nitiere kar kanyo, entiere kar mano kama entiere kanyo kama Machogu lose. To gima wacho kanyo nonro osetime sikunde ahinya mago mag sekondar kama wacho ni ikruok oseketi kendo nitiere yo makare, ka bendo wacho ni giseyudo ni moko kuom sikunde chope magi osesienyore kendo osedonjo wacho ni kama ng'ikruok ma kamago bende osebedo kar kanyo. Watemo yude mondo mi wawinjane penjo mamoko mapod ntiere kar kae ka wamedo mana luogi kumoro achiel. Ka nyaka sani Nyakoro Moge Jwang'o wacho kanyo ni wanyawinjane oseduogo.
Destroyed, so that from there they can now be able to rehabilitate and maintain and repair the facilities that have so far been destroyed during these very heavy rains. So we want to reassure the parents that our children will be safe once they get back to school, and even those that are day scorers, those who are day scorers, where we find that roads were rendered impassable because of the very heavy rains, that moving from one area to another is a problem. I think we have been able to inform the Board of Management of the respective schools to take due diligence so that we are sure that we are assured that our children, as they go back to school and back home, they are safe. Where there are rivers which will also pose a challenge passing through as they go to school, the respective communities and the Board of Management have also been informed to advise as appropriate, so that where there is danger, we can be able to have mitigating measures taken into consideration, so that we protect the lives of our people. Otherwise, moving forward, I think what we are getting from the experts is that we will not be able to have as much rain as it has been there before. So, if anything, the situation will go on improving all over the country. And it is not going to be so much of a challenge as far as our schools and the reopening is concerned. Thank you very much. Anybody with? So, yes.
Thank you, Waziri. My name is Brenda from Citizen TV. We're opening schools 2 weeks after we ought to have opened. How is this likely to affect the calendar moving forward for this term of school?
Yes. Another again. Yeah, thank you very much. One is that, yes, it's only 2 weeks. We will be able to look at it, particularly those who are in Form 4, and see how we can be able to recover by probably extending a few days, because they were expected to close down the schools in August for 3 weeks. So we might minimize the number of days that schools will be closed down in the month of August, so that whatever was supposed to be covered in the syllabus and the curriculum can be recovered during that particular time. And concerning your question about, yours was about? Yes, asante sana. Kwanza ile mashule ambaye wale wamekabiliwa na hii taabu wanakaa kwa wakati wa sasa, there are not that many. We have 7 primary schools and 3 secondary schools where people who have been displaced because of the floods are temporarily staying as of now. And we are collaborating with national government, internal security, Ministry of Issues, so that we can be able to relocate these particular issues to other alternative areas in order for us to make sure that the students can be able to come back to those particular schools as of Monday. So this is one of the assignments that we are also doing to ensure that the relocation is done in a smooth and seamless manner.
Waziri, the 5% schools that have been affected as the repairs continue, where will these students be hosted? Are they still going to attend school?
For now, we are trying to look into other mechanisms how running can be able to take place on those very few schools which have said actually less than 5%. If we were to get the specific schools, it will even be less 2%. I will be able to give you the names of the schools as we get the kind of information that we are getting from all over the country, because we are getting the specific names of schools that might not be able to open on Monday, which I've said there will be about 2% also in southern specific counties, which are partly affected by this. Some parts of Tana River, some parts of Homa Bay, some parts of Kisumu, and the other few parts of the country. We will be able to give you the specific names of those schools. So we are trying to explore means and ways how these particular students or pupils of the affected schools can either run through online, or in case we get this capacity, in the neighboring schools, we can also be able to accommodate them in those particular schools.
Nyokoro mokijwang mano jatend migawo mochung' ne weche mag somo pacho kae Ezekiel Machogu mabende ochiwo lendo mopogore opogore kanyo ka owacho ni atamalo 95 mag sikunde oikore ne yepo chieng' wuok tich. Atamalo 5 kende ema ula oketho kata orocho chenro makamago ka sirkal biro chiwo omenda maromo bilion 1 ne gedo mag sikunde ma ula ne orocho. Bende owacho ni gisingo ne jonyuol ne rita ntiere makare ma neno ni